Do you want a 3 or a 4 pound hammer? This one was on Forge and Fire at 1. This is 3 pounds, this is 4 pounds.
Is it 4 pound?
4 pounds good to start with, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
And then we can switch to a 3 pound if it gets heavy for you, okay?
Well, give it a try.
Let's start with the 4. That's you. Now, with that, this right here is called tool face steel. So is this. Watch this.
Okay.
See how I just let my wrist go and it bounced back that much? Yeah. It's called rebound, alright?
Okay. So
As long as you hit your steel, it will absorb that hit.
Okay.
But if you miss, it's going to come back at you. So with that being said, I want you to use 2 hands, alright?
Okay.
First thing we're going to do actually is set your hammer right back down. I'm going to leave your spike out about 3.5 inches and I'm going to put it in here.
Okay.
I'm going to put this on there for you, okay? When I tell you to, I want you to grab on the outside. Stay on the outside. All the heat's in the middle.
Okay.
Stay on the outside. So when you go on the outside, I want you to start twisting.
Okay.
Now there's going to be a part where your arms are going to want to cross over that heat. Don't let it, all right? Stop here.
Okay.
I'll make sure this don't move.
Okay.
Reposition your arms and start back up, all right? We're going to do 180 degrees because you're doing a knife, right?
Yes.
Yep, we're doing 180. So it's going to start facing me, it's going to end up facing you. So
Okay.
you're going to be standing right there. You ready?
Okay. Ready as I'll ever be.
So this is 1750 degrees right now.
A little warm.
Yeah, water boils at 212. So 1750. Put it in perspective. Okay. 8, 9, 10. All right, let's roll. Go ahead. Go. Get it, Sam. Come on. Go, 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 go. Now reposition, like I said. Reposition. You're right. Right there. Now look at that. Now. Look at it. Isn't that pretty? That's beautiful. Excellent job. Excellent job. Could you think you could twist that much mass that easy? Grab your hammer. The term "get it while it's hot" never applied more. Okay. Now we're going target. So when I pull it out, so the reason I say get it while it's hot is because it's malleable. You know what malleable means?
Yes.
All right. So it's more malleable when I pull it out. 2 hands. Go to Pound Town. Ready to rock?
Yeah.
Let's do it. You're ready to rock, I'm ready to roll. Let's go. Get it. Go. Hard. Go. Go. Lead it. There you go. Good job, man. That's a 4-pound hammer. This is only 3 pounds. That 4-pound hammer at 1 yard, which is 3 feet, 12,000 pounds. Just by me dropping it. Ready to rock?
Ready.
All right. Let's roll. So if any of this stuff, it's called scale, gets on you, get it off you. All right.
Okay.
Go. 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 Get it. Go. Go. Stop. Stop. You're getting one more round and then I'm taking a round, okay?
Okay.
fast. Go. Hard. Go. Get it. Hard. Harder. Harder. There you go. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore.
Oh, what a voice, yes.
You are all I want, for all I worship and adore.
In other words,
Hold
my
my hand.
hand. In other
In
words.
Baby, kiss me. Yeah, fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Please be true. In other words, I love you.
Woo. Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
Wow.
We're gonna switch. And this will help you too. This is a whole highlighter. This is before Fire Maker. This is the one that won. This won $10,000.
What kind of cut is that? This is the tool you use.
All right, Sam, let's rock. You ready to rock?
Yep.
Let's roll. Go. Middle, middle, middle. Ooh, you didn't stop when I said stop. You went one extra.
Oh, yeah, I know.
And you weren't breathing again.
I know.
Get this on camera.
Yeah, I did. Good catch. Good
He ain't listening.
He's exhausted.
I got feels like crazy. So you said you're engineer, right?
Yeah.
Watch this. Let me find a magnet real quick. Oh, we're just gonna use this one. It's a strong one. Here's what you're making. See how I picked it up?
Oh, really?
All the molecules in this knife are so excited right now, they don't even know where to go. And we gotta bring them all back together. One more time in the middle, go. All one.
Sorry, one extra.
You're good. Just a second now. Go ahead. And stop. Good job. All right. Cool. I think so, yeah.
Wow.
Overperforming Blacksmiths.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, it's literally, it excites molecules so much that they don't know where to go. And then actually when you punch it, you're going to feel the molecules go back together. You're going to literally feel the molecular structure come back together through your hands. And it's like a really cool feeling.
Feels like two, right?
Yeah, you are. And because this is a mild carbon steel, we'll get this to like a 60, 59 to 60 Rockwell, and just in cool water. Yeah. So, pretty cool, not gonna lie. You're about done though, I ain't gonna lie either about that. So, I'm gonna look at your hand over here. Yeah, twist it there. I'm gonna twist it right back to where it needs to be. There it is.
You only do that once.
I actually had a smith here that did that. I don't know what was going on, but this is beautiful. Excellent job. Honestly. We're there. Alright, so now I'm not even going to put it in the vice yet. Because like I said, I'm a smith. I straighten stuff out with hammers. I don't do it in places. So next time, what we're going to do, I'm going to give you the tongs. Not you. I'll make it just wood tongs. Give it to you like this, alright?
Okay.
Now they won't move like these are because it's going to be hot. These are moving right now, but heat expands, so it won't move. I know it's weird, but I want you to squeeze the top.
Okay.
Straight down, and then straight back and forth like this, alright?
Okay.
Don't think of a fish's tail, think of a shark's fin.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
So just keep it going like
Yep,
that.
straight matters. Straight does matter.
Now what is a straight? Oh, it's 'cause you're
Okay,
not pushing
so
it.
if we go like this, it cools this side, then that side, this side, then that side, this side, then that side. If we cool like this, it cools this side and not that side.
Got it.
If we leave it just down like this, it creates what's called a steam jacket. A steam jacket will have all the water in the ambient area just as hot as the knife, so therefore it won't cool as well. That's why moving
Got it.
and straight and submerged all matter.
Okay.
Straight, submerged, and moving.
Okay. Straight submerged.
She's a little hot right now. So, I'll give it to you, and we're going to count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Feel it?
Yes.
Yes. That's the molecules coming back together. Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
You can literally feel the molecular change. Now you want to see something else that's cool?
Oh, wow. I cool off fast.
Energy likes to move.
Wow.
Heat is energy, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you said you're engineering type, so heat's energy. Energy likes to move.
Let's go
That
hot.
thing is freaking awesome. Good job.
Oh, wow.
Very cool.
To the teacher. Yep. That's what I tell people all the time. We quenched it already, so if this comes to a blue, then we have to reheat it and re-quench it. So that's why I keep dipping in water so it doesn't heat up too much. So this should be relatively straight. But because this is a hand forged one, your different hammer marks makes it come out from the way it comes off.
Okay.
So it won't be perfectly straight. I would have to machine the entire thing flat and then grind it in order for it to be perfectly straight. So that's what makes it unique about each
Right.
one. I'm gonna try to fix this one up a little bit. Next, we do the one. This is the 180 compound. Between 23 to 27 degrees. That's not perfect every time, but it's roughly between there. See that little white burr right above my thumb? That is the burr. That means we reach zero edge. So therefore, when I remove that burr, this will be sharp. Now I have to be careful because when I do the angles, if I overdo it, I'll take too much of it off and I'll take the edge off of it. And this is what the ceramic rod does, it removes that burr. And as you can see, I'm not moving down the cutting edge, I'm moving up.
Right.
Because if you move up and there's a burr, you feel like a little thorn just kind of like grabbing there a little bit, and you'll be able to feel it so without having to put your hand on the cutting edge.
That's sharp.
Yes, it is.
Wow. What was your name?
Dustin Staples.
And you're the grinder.
Yes, sir.